Windows are a crucial part of any home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal while playing a significant role in energy efficiency and security. Over time, however, even the best windows can deteriorate and lose their effectiveness. If you're a homeowner in Kendall, understanding when it's time to replace your windows can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and increase its value. Here's a guide to help you identify the key signs that it's time for window replacement. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is feeling drafts or air leaks. On windy days, stand near your windows. If you feel cold air seeping in, it means your windows are no longer providing proper insulation. This issue is especially relevant in Kendall, where the humid climate can make indoor cooling a priority. Replacing drafty windows with energy-efficient options can help maintain a comfortable temperature indoors and reduce energy costs. Rising energy bills. Speaking of energy costs, have you noticed a sudden spike in your heating or cooling bills? Old or damaged windows often allow air transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low-E coatings, can drastically reduce this issue by minimizing heat transfer and blocking UV rays. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours have become sticky, hard to operate, or refuse to stay open, it's a sign of wear and tear. This could be due to issues like warped frames, rusted hardware, or broken balance systems. Such problems not only compromise functionality but can also be a safety hazard, especially in an emergency. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped between the panes of double or triple glazed windows, it indicates a failure in the window seal. This failure compromises the window's insulating properties and allows moisture to enter, leading to further damage. In a humid area like Kendall, this can quickly escalate to mold or mildew growth, which poses health risks and damages your home's structure. Physical damage. Cracked glass, rotting window frames, or chipped paint are clear signs that your windows are past their prime. Physical damage not only looks unattractive but can also reduce your home's security and energy efficiency. Modern replacement windows are designed to withstand harsh conditions, making them a worthwhile investment for Kendall's unpredictable weather. Excessive noise. If you're constantly hearing outdoor noise like traffic, barking dogs, or construction, your windows might not be providing adequate sound insulation. Upgrading to modern windows with advanced acoustic insulation can make your home a quieter, more peaceful retreat. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the need for replacement isn't about performance but aesthetics. If your windows look outdated or don't match the style of your home, replacing them can enhance curb appeal and increase your property's market value. This is particularly important in Kendall, where attractive homes contribute to the neighborhood's appeal and resale potential. Water leaks and damage. Water stains, peeling paint, or soft spots around the window frames are signs of water damage. In Kendall's rainy climate, such issues can quickly escalate, leading to mold growth and structural damage. Replacement windows with proper sealing and weather resistance can protect your home from moisture intrusion. Choosing the right replacement windows for Kendall homes. When replacing windows, it's crucial to choose products tailored to Kendall's unique climate and style. Look for features such as impact resistance. Kendall is in a hurricane-prone region, making impact-resistant windows a smart choice for safety and durability. Energy efficiency. Opt for windows with ENERGY STAR certification to ensure they meet stringent energy efficiency standards. UV protection. Windows with low E coatings can block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture and floors from fading. Customization. Choose designs and materials that complement your home's architectural style. Benefits of window replacement. Investing in new windows offers numerous advantages, including lower energy costs. High-performance windows improve insulation and reduce energy consumption. Enhanced comfort. Eliminate drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Increased security. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms for better safety. Boosted home value. A fresh, updated look enhances your home's appeal to potential buyers. Final thoughts. Recognizing the signs that it's time for window replacement can save you from costly repairs and improve your quality of life. If your windows are showing any of these symptoms, don't wait too long to take action. Consult with a professional window replacement company in Kendall to explore options that fit your needs and budget. By upgrading your windows, you're making a smart investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value.